They say money can't buy happiness, but it can definitely buy freedom, peace of mind, and a whole lot of options. The problem? Most people spend their 20s giving that freedom away without even realizing it. Credit cards feel like free money. Buy now, pay later sounds harmless. And that new phone upgrade feels like a reward you deserve. But every small swipe, every casual splurge, builds into habits that quietly shape your entire financial future. Your 20s are not about being perfect with money. They're about being aware. The choices you make right now decide whether your 30s feel like progress or payback. So before you chase another payday just to feel broke again, let's talk about the biggest money mistakes to avoid in your 20s and how small changes today can make you truly rich tomorrow. 1. Thinking, I'll start saving later. Most people in their 20s believe saving money can wait. They think once they earn more, they'll finally start. But the truth is, if you don't start now, you probably never will. The habit of saving matters more than the amount. Even saving a small amount like $10 or $20 each week trains your brain to prioritize your future self. Waiting until you make more money only makes it easier to spend more. The earlier you start, the more your money can grow through compound interest, which basically means your money starts earning its own money. It's like planting a seed that turns into a tree, and that tree grows more seeds over time. So don't wait for the perfect time to save. There's no magic number or income level where it suddenly becomes easy. The best time to start is right now, no matter how little you have. Future, you will be so grateful you did. 2. Living like you're rich. Before you are the moment that first paycheck hits, it feels amazing. You finally have your own money. And suddenly you want to enjoy it. A nice dinner here, a new phone there, a few impulse buys, because you deserve it. It feels harmless at first, but that's how lifestyle inflation begins. You start spending more just because you're earning more. And soon your expenses catch up with your income. You feel like you're working hard but never getting ahead. The truth is, real wealth doesn't come from spending, it comes from keeping. Living below your means isn't about being cheap, it's about giving yourself options. When you control your spending, you gain freedom. The freedom to say yes to opportunities or to walk away from things you don't like. So before you chase luxury, make sure you can afford peace. Because peace of mind, not possessions, is what truly makes you rich. 3. Ignoring credit. Like it doesn't matter. Credit might sound complicated or boring, but it's one of the most important parts of your financial life. A credit score is basically your financial reputation. It tells lenders, landlords, and even some employers how responsible you are with money. A high score can help you get lower interest rates, better loan options, and more trust. But many people in their 20s ignore it completely or make small mistakes that have big consequences. Missing one payment or maxing out a credit card might not seem like a big deal, but those actions can stay on your record for years. The best way to build strong credit is simple. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balance low, and don't take on more debt than you can handle. Building good credit doesn't happen overnight, but once you do, it becomes a safety net for your future. Treat your credit like a reputation you're proud to protect, because it really is. 4. Letting debt become normal. Debt can easily feel like a normal part of life. Student loans, credit cards, car payments, it's everywhere. But what's dangerous is when it starts to feel too normal. You stop feeling the pressure to pay it off, and instead, you just live with it. The problem is, debt steals from your future. Every dollar you pay in interest is money that could have gone toward your goals, like traveling, buying a home, or investing. Debt isn't evil, but it's powerful. When used smartly, it can help you build credit or get an education. But when ignored, it quietly controls your life. The key is to face it. Write down what you owe, make a plan, and stick with it. Even small payments matter. Every time you pay something off, you get a little closer to freedom. Don't accept debt as your normal. You deserve a future that belongs to you, not to your bills. 5. Thinking investing is for later. Many people think investing is something only rich or older people do. But waiting too long to start is one of the biggest money mistakes you can make. The secret to successful investing isn't having a lot of money. It's having time. Time lets your money grow through compound interest, which means your earnings start earning their own earnings. For example, someone who starts investing just $100 a month at age 25 could end up with more than someone who starts at 35 and invests twice as much. That's the power of starting early. And the best part? You don't need to know everything to begin. Start small, learn as you go. Use simple tools like index funds or beginner investment apps. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, it's to let your money quietly work for you while you live your life. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes to build wealth without even feeling it. 6. Spending to impress instead of progress. Social media makes it easy to feel behind. Everyone seems to be traveling, wearing designer clothes, or living their best life. You might feel like you need to keep up, but that kind of spending can drain your future. What most people don't show online are the credit card bills, loans, or stress behind those pictures. Spending to impress others might feel good for a moment, but it creates pressure that never ends. True confidence doesn't come from what you own. It comes from knowing you're in control. Real success is being able to buy something, but choosing not to. It's having peace when you check your bank account, not panic. So stop chasing approval. Spend your money on things that make you happy, not things that make you look successful. Because at the end of the day, no one remembers the outfit or the gadget. They remember the person who lived without fear or regret. 7. Neglecting financial education. It's strange. We spend years studying subjects we rarely use, but almost no time learning how to manage money, which we use every single day. Many people step into adulthood with little understanding of taxes, loans, credit, or investing. And that's where costly mistakes begin. Financial education isn't about becoming an expert. It's about knowing enough to make smart choices. The good news is, it's easier than ever to learn. You don't need expensive courses. You can learn from free videos, podcasts, or books that explain money in simple language. Spend just 15 minutes a day improving your financial knowledge. You'll be surprised how much power that gives you. Because once you understand how money works, you stop being afraid of it. You make decisions with confidence. And that confidence, not luck, is what builds real financial success. Remember, money is a language. The sooner you learn to speak it, the better your life becomes. 8. Believing time is on your side. In your 20s, it's easy to believe you have all the time in the world. You think you can fix your finances later. But the truth is, time doesn't wait. It compounds just like money does. Every month you delay saving or learning costs you more than you think. Because the earlier you start, the more freedom you gain later. Your 20s aren't about being rich, they're about building the foundation that allows you to be rich later. Each decision to save, to invest, to learn, adds a brick to that foundation. The best part? You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Don't let fear or "I'm too young" hold you back. The future comes faster than you expect, and when it does, you'll either thank your past self or regret waiting. Time is your greatest asset. Treat it like gold, because once it's gone, you can't buy it back. Thank you for watching. Remember, the choices you make in your 20s shape your financial freedom for years to come. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on money, mindset, and building a life you love. Stay curious, stay focused, and get ready for more powerful tips coming your way soon.